so I'm doing this look for you guys today. It's super springy and super blah 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 and all the things to hype up the look. Watch the video. I'm about to go eat some pizza. Please subscribe to my channel. We are getting so much closer to 1K. And don't forget to watch some of my other videos. I put them in the description box below. I love you guys. Roll the tape. Alright guys, welcome back. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm doing this voiceover and I did just have a couple glasses of wine, so good luck. So this is, I think, alright. I'm using a primer and then I'm using this Morphe 35B palette. I'm using that orange color and using that as kind of my transition color. This is a horrible idea. I wish I had never started this voiceover, but I'm already in deep, so let's go. Okay, next I'm using this yellow color, and my bad, it's Morphe, which is not natural for the English speaker, but whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and use this yellow kind of like as my outward color. Honestly, I did this like willy-nilly, so I'm just making it up as I go, as I'm doing this voiceover, semi-tipsy, but I'm gonna keep going because I gotta post this video. Next, I'm going to take, I don't know why I didn't show it. Next, I'm going to take actually a color from the ColourPop palette. I think I'll put it below because I can't think of it right now. It's like a brown color. It looks very similar to the orange, so an orange will do. That's perfectly fine. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the interior, and then so now I'm using the NYX this eye primer in milk or white base, if you want to call it that, to go ahead and set the color. And again, y'all, I just made this up as I went. So now I'm using a ColourPop shadow. Again, it's from that same palette. I think it's Sun. The Soul palette, I want to say. So it's just a hot pink. It's funny because I wasn't drunk making this video, so I don't really understand why I didn't like show what I was using, but that's okay. It's more like a hot pink. Oh no, I lie. It's the Morphe 35B. It's actually red. I lie. It's a red and it mixed with the white, and I remember it being bright pink and being like, wow, that was a mistake. I didn't want that color, but it turned out okay. And so now I'm taking that same orange color and going back into the outer corner of my crease. Next, finally showing the palette. I'm taking this glittery color from the Soul palette from ColourPop. This color is so beautiful. It almost has like pink flakes in it already, and it's more orangey. So I was like, this is gonna look so good on top of the pink, which is why I did it. And I really loved the look. I really, really did. Okay, and then I'm taking that color that I just showed for inner corner highlights. It's really funny because I could almost swear I was drunk making this video, because like, why would I do my inner corner highlight before I did the rest of my makeup? But that's okay. So now I'm using LA Girl Pro, of course, in my Revlon foundation. I'm going to ditch this foundation as soon as possible, like ASAP, as soon as I get paid on Friday, because baby, I think it contains oil and my skin is already crazy. Ugh. So I just used Airspun to go ahead and set my makeup, and now I'm using this NYX color. Like, look at the acne, y'all. Like, for real. Like, I should do an acne video like right now, as to like my acne journey and what I'm gonna do to fix it, because baby, like, no one told me to have a whole thing of Braille on my face. Nobody told me to do that. Next, I'm using my NARS Radiant Concealer, which is my absolute favorite. And I think this color is Caramel, as usual. And then, I don't know why I stopped making my, shaping my nose, basically, or contouring my nose without my finger, because you guys know that I broke my nose if you watch my story time. So the best thing for me to do is use my finger. And I don't know why I've been using a brush like a normal person, because my nose actually came out crooked. I saw it. So this is a Real Techniques beauty blender that I'm using, which is kind of funny that we call it a Real Technique beauty blender, because beauty blender is a brand name. It's kind of like Windex, you know. I talked to my friend about that. Like, we say Windex for all the Windex, but it's really not Windex. Like, that is marketing. Like, that is some good marketing. Next, I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose crooked. And it's funny because see that dent on that side? That is the side I broke my nose. So I don't know why I stopped using my finger to do it to feel, because ever since then I've just been having a crooked nose. I was going to cuss, but I didn't. Anyway, so this is the banana powder from the beauty supply. If you watched my last video that I bought, it does have some creasing afterwards because it is from the beauty supply and is a knockoff, but it does its job. I'm not going to lie. Okay, using my BH Cosmetics palette, I can't remember the name of it. I'm going to use that teal color. It dawned on me while I was doing this that I've done a look similar to this, so I had to kind of change it up a little bit. I really like the way that it came out, though. I really, really did. Using my trusty Kiss lashes. I always can count on Kiss for some good lashes. Maybe one day they'll sponsor me. I don't know. I'm going to use these ones and slap that on there. Next, I am using my ColourPop Glow Up as my highlights. And I'm going to put that all around. I cannot believe how bad I'm breaking out and that I'm putting my face on the internet, but it's cool as a bit. So this is my NYX Blush in Cinnamon. I'm using that, and I went a little bit overboard as usual because I just love blush. And I don't know what about blush just makes me feel so girly and beautiful. Next, I'm using my ColourPop liquid lipstick. I think this is in Tulle. Check the description box. Don't trust me. Again, had a couple drinks. Just do it. It's more of a mauve color, and actually I don't like mauve, so I don't know why I bought this. Mauve does not look good on me in my opinion. But I'm going to go ahead and take my cat ears out. And if you're wondering how my curls came out like this, I have a video for that. Again, I know what you're thinking. Check the description box below. You're right. Check it. Because I have a whole tutorial on how I do these curls. Thanks guys so much for watching. Don't forget that I have uploads every Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I think that's what I said. Yeah, Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So don't forget to watch. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't seen my cut crease purple video. It's going to be in the description box below. And if you haven't seen my story time of how I was mistaken for a gentleman, which is a man, which I am not, go ahead and click the description box below. I love you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.